In this video, we'll show you how to enable and disable passive mode in GTA 5 Online. If you find this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing. Passive mode in GTA Online is a feature that makes your character invincible to most player attacks and prevents you from attacking others. When passive mode is on, other players can't kill you and you can't kill them either. However, keep in mind you can still be hurt if someone runs you over with a vehicle. To turn it on or off, open the interaction menu. On PC, press the M key. On consoles, press and hold the view button, or the TOUCHPAD. Once the menu opens, scroll down until you see the option to enable passive mode. To activate it, press Enter or the Confirm button on your controller. You'll now be in passive mode. To turn it off, go back into the interaction menu and select Disable Passive Mode. Note, after turning it off, there's a 30-second cooldown before it fully deactivates. Also, once disabled, you can't re-enable passive mode for another 5 minutes. This is in place to prevent players from abusing the feature. If this helped you out, please like the video and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.